name is Kyle Hugger. I'm the Career Experience Coordinator here at Hennepin College. I work with students on resumes, cover letters, internships, internship prep, a lot of the paperwork, behind the scenes stuff like that. Work study is a majority of what I do as well, and then a lot of career fairs. Reverse career fairs are awesome because the student can then just talk about their education, talk about what they know, and just showcase that to every single staff member and every employer partner that comes through and wants to see what they're exhibiting. So these sort of interviews are actually better for students, I feel. They're able to explain kind of what they're doing and really dive into it. A sit-down interview, you can have jitters, you can kind of get stage fright, not really know what to say. But when you're able to speak on what you're passionate about, it's way different. You can show somebody, it really means a lot to anybody.
Hi, my name is Peng. I'm currently in my second semester of the Automation Robotics program. Here I have the universal robot. I programmed it to do a pick and place. So, ready for your body to constantly be bending and put your head down. And this kind of robot will just kind of help you eliminate those things because it'll do those small, menial tasks that you don't have to do yourself.
Hi, I'm Jake at Hennepin Tech Brooklyn Park campus, but today we're at Eden Prairie. Reverse career fair, pretty good opportunity for me, part of class, part of my attendance, so it helps me. I got a PLC over here. It's a pretty cool program. Got my resume over here, everything you need to know about me. Then, not just doing stuff in school, I also do stuff outside of school. I'm having fun talking to people, getting some good opportunities with jobs. I'm gonna follow up with quite a few of them. They seem pretty interested in me. So
how many business cards have you gotten today?
10 within an hour. So, and there's a lot more companies, and I want to talk to a lot more people to get more opportunities.